get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And I ain't gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And I ain't gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Gimana menurut lu Ham acara siang? Aduh keren sih, terus berkarya untuk selanjutnya sih, buat ruang-ruang ya kan. Thank you ya Ham. Iya. Kayak ketawa doang masa.
Bang, pesan lu bang, buat acara gambar.
Keren banget
Bang.
bangsat.
Hah?
Keren banget.
Keren banget ya?
Iya. Menurut lu acara kali ini gimana sih?
Wah asik banget, parah, kacau.
Parah.
Coba lihat nih, kita banyak banget ketemu artis-artis. Gini, coba atau dulu. Siapa aja nang? Mau berdiri kan?
Komeng.
Apa nih?
Kenceng banget ya, abang-abang kita.
Dari Mas Oke mau ke token mak.
Iya.
Emang paling oke dah. Paling oke.
Apa sih? Apa sih?
Udah bang.
Ya. Air panas. Ini biasanya dalamnya ada esnya nih dalam jok.